Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Coral Falls by DR Horton. It's located in North Las Vegas. In my own opinion, this location is perfect. Down the road, at Craig Road, there's a lot of shopping area, restaurants, and also entertainment that you guys can drive not too far from here, so to have access. We are going to tour these two-story homes. This community is non-gated. Currently they are offering two floor plans, which is the 2654 and the 2429. And we are going to tour this floor plan 2429. This is a two-story home, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. They have $85 HOA, and with this HOA, you get to enjoy their park. They also take care of the community and the landscape around the area. And let's go check this house. I'm so excited to show you guys. Right here by the door, you will see the video doorbell and the deadlock vault. As soon as you get in, you will see the open layout area. On your right is the staircase. You will see the tile flooring. And this side is the powder room in the main area. Check this door. This is the 2-car garage. Unfortunately, it's locked. This door has storage. Check this line underneath the stairs. Plenty of storage here. And right across is the coat closet. Now we are looking at your open layout area. Your living room is very spacious, connected to your dining area and your modern kitchen. This kitchen features this nice island, and I love that they extended the island to a breakfast bar. You can sit 3 people here. It's very convenient, serve meals. And one thing about this house is all the appliances is included. The refrigerator, the stovetop. This is a nice refrigerator. When you're ready to move in, you don't have to buy any appliances. The dishwasher is also included right here. The stove, the microwave. I know it comes with a brown cabinet, but you can always change the color of your cabinet. This community has 35. Oh, let's check if this is soft close. This is a soft close. And guys, the cabinets is also a soft close. Let's go check your walk-in pantry. There's plenty of space here. Perfect for storing your food supplies for the whole year. Now let's go check your dining area. I love that they have their own space for everything, like the dining, the kitchen, and also your nice living room. Now let's go check your backyard. Okay, we're outside the backyard. This house only comes with this little bit of pavers outside, but when you get your home, this is what it looks like. It comes with dirt, no landscape, but it's a nice area. You can add a sitting area outside, perfect for relaxing, barbecue. Okay, let's go inside and check the rest of the house. And this is your smart panel. Let's go to the second floor and check the rest of the house. I know there's a loft and 4-bedroom upstairs, as well as your laundry area. This is the loft, very spacious. You can always convert this to a study room, gaming room, or a gym. Perfect if you have kids, extra space for entertaining. Right here is your bathroom. This is a shared bathroom. Dual sink vanity included. Also, here's your tub and shower combo. Right here is your secondary bedroom. It's a nice space. By the way, the blinds are included in this house. In this bedroom, it comes with a standard closet. Pretty much everything that you see here is included when you purchase the house. There's another room over here. They already installed the blinds. Has a standard closet. This side is another bedroom. There is also a blind that's installed. They put one resist light. This bedroom has a walk-in closet. This is the only secondary bedroom that has that walk-in closet. Let's go to the other side. This is your laundry area. Washer and dryer is also included when you purchase the house. This is made by Realtor. Now let's go check your primary bedroom. It's nice and very spacious. Also, this one comes with the blinds. Let's go check your primary bath. Comes with dual sink, vanity. You're looking at your shower. This side is your walk-in closet. It's not that big, but it's very spacious enough to store your clothes. We also added one recessed light inside. I love the color of the cabinets. Right here is your private water closet. Overall, this primary bedroom is very spacious. I think a king-size bed will fit in this room. Overall, there's plenty of space on the second floor. Lots of rooms, plus the loft. And again, all the stainless steel appliances as well as the washer and dryer is included when you purchase the house, and also the blinds are included. There's an HOA for $85. There is a community park that you are able to enjoy. They take care of the landscape and the neighbors, the whole community actually. And also they're offering a 5.50 towards FHA if you are interested. 5.99 towards conventional mortgage as long as you choose their lender. And also they have 5,000 towards the closing cost. Again, this house is very spacious, 2429. If you are interested in getting my service and you want a representation, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. Again, my name is Agnes Collera, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share. And thank you for watching my video.